central Cabarrus County in the Piedmont of North Carolina until 10:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:46 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 11 miles southeast of downtown Concord, or near Midland, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and vehicle-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Midland and Mount Pleasant. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Brief damaging winds will blow down trees and power lines over small areas. A brief period of large hail is also possible. Seek shelter inside an interior room. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or post it to X using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Cabarrus, North Carolina. The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Stanley County and central North Carolina until 10:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:47 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Midland, or 11 miles southeast of downtown Concord, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Midland, Locust, Oakboro, and Stanfield. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Stanley, North Carolina.